What's the color of the sky?
Blue.
Blue? It's not that blue.
Yeah, it is blue.
What?
It is blue.
No. Is it gonna be morning?
Yeah.
Really? Oh, tignan mo, baby, oh. May mga ganun. Sige na, go. Exciting. Ba't kaya may isang red sa ilaw niya?
Oh, pagdating dyan, tatanggalin na yung tali, ha?
Oh, binibidyo ko na sila.
Kid, relax ka lang. Oh, stay there, kid.
Hey, natupas. Wait a while, wait. Ay, sus mio.
Kid, di naman naglakad si Kid. Hinangin eh.
Hey, go back.
Sige ma'am, saan pa ka pa ma'am?
Si Colin. Woo! Wait, give space to Ethan, please. Bilis mo kayo, wala ka tayo sa picture.
Sir, paano nung ano?
Colin. Oh, may lakit na.
Jen. Gonna fall in love? Who?
Ay, tatanggalin ko ba to?
Alam mo, gusto ko din sumali. Kanina, buti na lang hindi nag-push through. Yes, ito din nakakapagod ah.
You know what's crazy?
Hey, stop it.
Ako, hintayin niyo si Ethan dyan.
Stop that! In love? Go now na daw.
So, may tayo ka sa puwet. Oh, you might fall there. Oh, sige.
Ay, sus, Cloud, stop it. Grabe, oh.
You will fall. Ethan, can you jump there?
Ba't di ka sumali, Chen?
Jump yung ano.
No. Ay, I'm not so sure. Yeah, maybe. Hi! Ate! Zoe! Ala! In fairness, ha? Can I have water? Hi! Ulit!
Ano yung doggy?
Who's that? Good job.
Ethan, we're still gonna do the swing.
Oh, kain na, kain na. Bro,
No. Ikaw nga, ikaw, inano ka pa eh. They have to
pull you.
pull you.
And you're heavy pa naman. They said you're the heaviest.
And they're asking me, what's your weight? What's your weight? It's great, you did great.
Good job.
Just that, you're too heavy. Yeah, I'm just joking. Yeah, you did great. Come here, baby.
You did great, but you can do better. Okay?
But you need to diet. Oh, really? I've done that already. Oh, sige. Here.
We do it again. Then, time each other. What? You want?
It's okay, no? Stronger tayo.
At the sky! At the sky! Go faster! Cloud is crying!
Hello. Really? Cloud, why? Why? No, yes, you're Peppa Pig. Good job, Zo. Ay, hala tayo. Hey, don't do that, baka ano.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go there na. Good job, ate.
Ulihin ko kami natin.
The last course. Woo! Straight your legs, straighten. Woo! Straighten your legs. Up, 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 up. Legs up, legs up. Legs up, good, legs up. There you go. Legs up. Legs up. Woo! Legs up, legs up.
They need to put their legs up kasi baka tumama dun sa to. So, masasaktan yung sako.
Lisa, move here, move here. Baka masipa ka ni Kuya Kane. Straight legs, Ethan, straight legs. Do it. Straight, 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 straight. Straight, straight. Straight. The louder the scream, the more fun it is. Come on, scream! Wow lang! Scream! Yung legs mo up! Put your legs up! Woo! Louder, Zo! Go! Bro! Woo! Yes, more higher! Woo! Yeah. So hold. Yes, hi. Cloud. No, 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 no. That's not how it's removed. Ganito, garawan. Tumatang to. Ay. Nature. Oh. wants to do it by himself though. Careful! Guys! Hi guys! Look here. Ate, look here! Pace! Hi guys! Where are the other guys? We're climbing up. Yan. From there. Diba? Hi guys! Hi guys! Hi guys! Hi guys!
Wow! You go
Tama. Somersault. Papunta dito. Tumbling, papunta dito. Chilling.
Kamay, mabilis.
Split.